On Thursday and Friday, when the disappointing US jobs report came out, the Fed was almost certain to cut interest rates this month. However, for some reason yesterday, Bitcoin still declined, so at the moment we cannot be sure of what will happen. Our task now is to observe Bitcoin's movements around the 113,000 and 107,000 levels. If on Monday, Bitcoin breaks through the resistance level at 113,000, it could signal a return to an uptrend. On the other hand, if Bitcoin pulls back to the 107,000 level and bounces again, we may complete a double bottom pattern to end the correction. In a more cautious scenario, if Bitcoin fails to maintain the 107,000 support level, it could trigger a deeper corrective phase, signaling heightened downside risk in the market. Let's move on to the next coin, BNB. We can observe that BNB is currently forming a triangle pattern, and it has shown signs of breaking out above the upper boundary of this formation. If on Monday, BNB continues to rise without returning to the pattern, a long position could be considered, with an initial target at the pattern's previous high and potentially higher levels beyond. Conversely, if BNB falls back into the triangle, this would confirm a false breakout, and as we know, false breakouts often lead to sharp reversals in the opposite direction. Turning to Solana, we can see that it is currently respecting a trend. There is a likelihood that Solana will retest this trend line and react upwards from that level.